This is our hostel. About to go to the beach. Oh no, I've gone the long way. This is our hostel in San Sebastian. Tea is ready with her hat. I have mine in here. Let's go. Good morning. Out on the roads of San Sebastian. My hat's a bit broken from my suitcase, but it's so nice. My outfit for today, my swimmers, top and little shorts. Off to get some groceries. It's so pretty here. So we got a breadstick with some ham and cheese and lettuce on it for breakfast. So nice. We made it to the beach again. So nice here.
Well, even in the UK, they have a minimum.
My eyelashes, we went underwater and it was holding a lot of excess water, so I was blind. I was holding T's hand on the way back. She is my savior. Yes, time for breakfast. Breakfast time. It's really good. Guys, it's raining. We're at the beach. T's reading her book. So we're just gonna have to wait and see if we have to go. Maybe we'll just stay in the rain. Okay guys, we're gonna play cards because it was gonna rain, now we don't know, so we're just gonna play cards until then. Yeah. The building's like super old here. It's like a castle. Little cafe. Oh, it's got ice creams. Oh, they've got stuff in the middle. Yum. So Sebastian football team. Train station. The beach. Actually, there are so many people on the beach. We've got little day beds or like chairs. Little shower. Guys, this is like their lifeguards. So in Australia we have lifeguards that sit in a big tower, but that one lifeguard is for the whole beach. Like the whole beach. So hopefully no one's drowning. I might have to jump in and save them. We're gonna go find a smoothie now, hopefully. So fingers crossed we can find it. Okay guys, we're very simple. We found a Starbucks. We're just gonna have that as our drink. So let's go in and order. Ooh, spongy around. What should I have? Guys, after all that, they only took cash and we don't have any cash. So on to the next place. Lots of cars around. bus while we've been here, really? This time? We'll wait. No, he doesn't want to wait. That's fine. He might get hit. Looking for another place to get a drink. Oh, it's green now. Let's go.
Don't like how it doesn't
Make a noise. I know. In Australia, it goes pew, pew, so you know when you got to cross. But here, you just got to be watching, which I don't do half the time. So we'll see how we go. I've got some watermelon instead of a drink. Tea got a drink. We're about to go shopping. Thanks, Tea. Cute. Oh, so pretty. We are back off to the beach. A little skirt. Oh, lovely, 32 degrees. I'm already a little bit red. Oops. Take some of those to the beach. Building super white. A little cream and we got the green to go. Can we? Perfect, we'll take some pictures. It's high tide now, there's so many people. Like so many people at the beach. Recommended we go on the city tour. Maybe we should ask how much tickets are. It's €5. Maybe we should do it for a laugh. We may as well.
tomorrow when it stops.
Yeah, okay. We might go on the city tour tomorrow, guys. So stay posted. That's our little train if we go. Very warm here, it's like 32 degrees. I'm getting some cute pics. Sorry, I'm in the photo. I'll just sit over here. Very hot. Okay, we got Promenade. It doesn't look very appetizing because I just scrambled it all up and gave half to tea. So we're gonna try it. Was it good? Well, it tasted good when I licked the knife before, which you're not meant to do. I don't really know how to eat pasta like the traditional way, so we're just gonna...
have a spoon.
Yeah, and I don't know how to do that. It makes me feel gummy.
Oysters are so much better in Europe.
Except when we got it in Milan that time and it was like
Oh yeah, that was
disgusting. I'm a bit burnt. Actually very burnt. I've been worse.
actually now looking at you, you're definitely.
I made a mess all over the bowl. Yeah, I rate this a 10 out of 10.
Tastes sort of like 8.5.
8.5? I'm very generous. 10 out of 10. Yeah, look at, well, I don't like cheese, but we'll just do this and we'll eat it.
It's like, do not waste that cheese.
So good. So hot. Off to find some breakfast. It's a bit cloudy today, but that's okay. I'm nice and tanned from yesterday. A bit sunburned actually. Oh, it's warm in there. Maybe we'll have more baguette. Oh, there's a bakery just there as well, T. I don't know if we saw that one yesterday. Lexus. See them back in Australia? This is what San Sebastian looks like on a cloudy day. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. We didn't bring umbrellas. Wait for the crossing. Okay, we're just gonna cross. Oh, it's green, never mind. I don't know what I feel like. You're gonna have a chocolate one?
Yeah. I'm gonna go for my chocolate.
Go chocolate.
Can I please have one, please?
We can have it here.
Yeah, we'll eat that. Okay.
I don't really want a chocolate one, that's all. Maybe.
What need to choose from?
I'll just
try it. You can go here.
Oh, I don't really like.
Cream inside and apple.
It's a good one. Is there cream inside the apple as well?
The apple's on.
No, just that one. It's okay. I might just have a plain croissant.
Okay. The rest, the coffee.
Oh, thank you. There's they've got ham and cheese tea. That would have been better. That's okay though. Grapes! They don't look amazing. Maybe mango?
Ah, mira, me ha volado. ¿Me tiene la bolera o me ha volado?
Lots of cool food here. Ones that I wouldn't eat. Guys, we missed our train. Spewing. We're gonna go find out when the next one.
And this is your time,
10:45.
like 20 minutes.
Okay.
This one.
Guys, we got the tickets. Oh, almost fell off the step then. We're gonna go on the train tour. Very excited. It's a bit foggy. Oh, the puppy dog's so cute. It's a bit foggy today. But that's okay because I tanned yesterday. That's the most important part. Maybe we can pet the dog. So cute. It's quite nice actually. Doesn't really look it in the video. We got good, I made sure he gave us good seats, C8. Oh, does this say, do you want to marry me? I'm joking, I don't know. Is it names? I can't really tell. Oh, chocolate by the beach. Okay guys, made it onto the train. We'll probably leave soon. Tea on the window seat side. Very touristy. But now I can take videos to you and you can't get mad at me because we are on a tourist train.
On board the train, you'll be able to visit the whole city of Donostia San Sebastian.
Saint-Sébastien Tourisme vous donne la bienvenue à Saint-Sébastien et au Saint-Sébastien City Tour, notre train touristique opéré par Grupo Julien et Grupo Vistor, à bord duquel vous pourrez faire une visite complète de la ville de Donostia San Sebastián.
Al final del paseo, en los jardines de Alderdi Eder, lugar hermoso en euskera, y que se encuentran delante del ayuntamiento, fueron campo de maniobras del ejército hasta 1863. Tras su adquisición por parte del ayuntamiento, el jardinero Pierre Ducas trazó estos jardines donde destacan los tamarindos, árboles vistos en París y traídos por un concejal en 1890. Al fondo de los jardines podemos contemplar la playa de la Concha, llamada así por el sol de su entorno. La actual barandilla de la Concha, uno de los símbolos de la ciudad, fue proyectada en 1910 por el arquitecto Rafael Alcázar, entre las que destacan el concurso internacional. Uno de los más importantes.
That's a nice pastry place to eat. Holy dooly, we have to go there. OG Berry. Sounds like goji berry.
Which is the high point of the summer's festive activities and includes the international fireworks competition, one of the most important in
Hopefully we
Europe.
get some free entertainment on the
Le
train
jour de
too.
l'Assomption de Marie et le clou de la saison estivale. Pendant toute la semaine, dite Semana Grande, la ville organise les principales fêtes de l'été, dont un concours international de feux d'artifice et des feux d'artifice de bas.
That's not good. Well, we'll let you know if we see anything up ahead.
What was once the Perla dell'Oceano, or the Pearl of the Ocean Spa, you can now find cafes and restaurants, nightclubs,
Oh, it's a bit.
swimming pools, and a large modern Transatlantarian centre.
Oh, that's where we're staying, guys.
Was the Royal Bathing Pavilion.
Just in there.
Alfonso XIII and Queen Maria Cristina used to go there with the princes and princesses.
I don't know if we go that
The
way.
beach of La Concha was therefore given the title of Royal Beach in
Oh, okay, we walked that way this morning. Yeah, that's right. Me too.
L'ancienne station thermale, la Perla de l'Océano, abrite de nos jours des cafétérias, des restaurants, une salle de fête, des clubs nautiques, des piscines et un grand et moderne centre d'installation thérapeutique. Le bâtiment situant le tunnel et l'ancien kiosque royal des Bains, fréquenté jadis par le roi Louis XVI, sa mère, la reine Marie-Christine d'Espagne, ville de plage individuelle et collective, un service de location de chaises, de voitures de toit et de ramassage, des restaurants et un service de rénovation qui comprend la zone de bain et la plage. Les amateurs de sport nautique regroupent pratiquer le kayak et le stand-up paddle, location qui est de 30%.
fondo a la derecha podemos ver el monte Urubamba y altura de 30 metros. Desde el siglo XII y hasta el año 1921 fue una fortaleza conocida como Castillo de las que conducen a ella desde el puerto. En la isla está servicios de duchas y estratégicos lugares para disfrutar del sol.
In the middle of the bay, we can see the island of Santa Clara. At 48 meters above sea level, its lighthouse was opened in 1864. The island became an isolation hospital when epidemics hit the population, and it was recommended that the sick were isolated. In the summer, there is a permanent motorboat service to the island from the port. On the island, there is a bar, shower facilities, and food places to enjoy the sun.
L'île de Santa Clara, cette île se dresse à 40 mètres
Ah, even better.
L'île abritait jadis un lazaret où étaient isolés les malades lors des épidémies qui sévissaient dans la ville. Pendant la saison estivale, des bateaux à moteur assurent la liaison entre le port et l'île. Celle-ci est équipée d'un bar, d'un service de douche et de magnifiques solariums.
A su derecha, sobre una estratégica terraza, sobre el paseo de mar y los jardines están abiertos. Desde el siglo XIII se encontraba en un lugar la primitiva iglesia industrial que mueve la ciudad.
You can see the Miramar Palace on top of the tunnel that separates the Concha and on the river beaches. Palace gardens are open to the public. Also, the 11th century church of San Sebastian was here, which gave its name to the city.
Au-dessus du tunnel séparant les plages de la Concha et de Monreta, remarquons le palais de la Reina.
We are now next to Ondarreta Beach, considered to be San Sebastian's aristocratic beach because it is near the Miramar Palace.
It's so pretty. The little flowers on the
On
balcony.
the right, there is a statue of Queen Maria Cristina by the sculptor Bueno.
So this is obviously where all the locals
At the end of Ondarreta,
they're probably sick of the tourists coming up there mountain.
and the work of the architect Luis Peña Cancheli,
Wow, that's so
together with
pretty.
the sculptor Eduardo Chivita. The combination of raw time, stone and sea has produced a unique space you won't find anywhere else. We especially recommend a visit here on stormy days when you can see the spectacular effects of the strategically positioned sculptures.
Nous voici devant la plage d'Ondarreta, la plage la plus aristocratique de Saint-Sébastien, vu sa proximité du palais de Miramar et du fait qu'elle était fréquentée par l'aristocratie et les diplomates. À droite, on peut contempler une statue de la reine Marie-Christine, du sculpteur Bueno. Au bout de la plage d'Ondarreta, ne manquez pas de visiter le Promenade del Viento, un des endroits les plus beaux de la ville. Cet espace fut conçu par l'architecte Luis Peña
Wow, so
Cancheli
tiny road.
comme des sculptures d'Eduardo Chivita. La combinaison du étranger, de la pierre et de la mer a donné lieu à un espace
Hotel?
unique en son genre.
That would be
En
painful
raison de
in
la
this hotel. You'd have to walk so far.
Il est recommandé de visiter ce lieu métropolitain. Vous pourrez ainsi y profiter de vues spectaculaires.
Las calles cercanas a la playa de Ondarreta están identificadas hasta la calle San
You will be able to see the bay of La Concha and our left the whole time.
Avec en port de fond la baie de la Concha, nous empruntons la Promenade, Paseo de la Concha, pour rejoindre la rue Saint-Martin.
Donosti de San Sebastián es la capital de Guipúzcoa desde el año 1854. También lo fue entre 1821 y 1844. La ciudad se ubica geográficamente en una zona estratégica, hecho que ha repercutido de forma destacada en su historia. Al ser un enclave importante entre la península ibérica y Francia, que se encuentra a tan solo 20 kilómetros, sus caminos fueron rutas por las que llegaron aires de guerra. También sirvieron como vías de transmisión de ideas y en permanente evolución arraigaron en tradiciones
Little update. This trade is
de los
very bumpy.
compositores
We
Arriaga
probably
y
would have
Eslava,
worn different
de Flor
clothes
Gallarre,
if we
de
had
Gaztanvigue
known
y de
it
Sant
was going to
Esteban.
be potholes and
En su parte
potholes of
interior
stuff.
podrá
So
contemplar el mural pintado en el
living our
techo del
best
patio de
lives. That's why
butacas,
I've only filmed
obra del
some of the train
donostiarra
riding, you
Ignacio
guys.
Ugal.
Oh, also scooters? Maybe I can ride one? Oh, that's better. Not bumpy.
The composers Arriaga and Eslava, the tenor Gallarre, and
Little
Cortandile
shops.
and Sant Esteban. Inside, you can see the mural painted on the ceiling by the local painter Ignacio Ugarte. The
bit
work
cloudy
represents the
still.
sun riding on an allegorical chariot drawn by 3 horses and entering in triumph, while knights with dwarves, surrounded by the moon and stars, and children stretch out their arms welcoming the King of Stars. The most important cultural events in the city, including the International
I'll
Film
take
Festival
the
and
blue one.
Musical Fortnight, take place in this theatre.
Is there a
Avant de
pink one?
terminer notre parcours, nous passerons devant l'hôtel
No, we're not going to see a pink
et le
one.
théâtre Victoria Eugenia.
That's okay. Oh, that's a really nice area. Actually, did we walk there already, T? No.
Vous pouvez admirer des sculptures
That's nice out there.
et représentant la tragédie, la musique, la danse et la comédie. Ces
cafés.
sculptures sont flanquées
Flowers.
représentant le
Pretty.
comte de Florida, le fondateur de la société
Scaffolding.
Económica Vascongada de Amigos del
Restaurant.
País, une société gastronomique également baptisée la
Balcony.
Vascongada, mais pour
McDonald's and a really old
In the old town, it's worth visiting the Prato della Costituzione, the Museum of San Telmo, and the churches of Santa
Cafes.
Maria and San Vicente.
la parte vieja abrite un gran nombre de comedores, de restaurants,
The Punk Bouncy.
une des principales spécialités de la ville. San Sebastian, qui est plusieurs restaurants et collèges Michelin, à l'origine de sa réputation gastronomique.
Alright guys, train's over. Do we let ourselves out? I'm just gonna open it. Made it. Got everything? Enjoy traffic controlling. I guess we can cross now. Perfect. Back to the stove. Oh, Mish. Those stairs are getting hotter every day. Yeah, little wristbands let us in. Ourselves ready for new roommates. Lovely.